All right, good morning, folks. Today is a beautiful fall day here in Franklin, Tennessee. Project for today is to get some liquid fertilizer down on my project lawns. I'm going to be using Simple Lawn Solutions. I'm using a 15015 and just trying to get the project lawns to continue to be healthy and boosted. I'm not going to put anything down on the Bermuda. The Bermuda is pretty much going dormant. I still have some green going on, but it's kind of pointless to put anything down on that grass right now. So anyway, let me show you what the Bermuda is looking like because it's still looking decent. And then I'm going to walk you around and take a look at all the project lawns before I spray it. So this is the Bermuda, and you can kind of see that there's still a little bit of growth going on. Like those little strips right there, you see those three? Looks like it's still growing. I may hit it one more time with a mow later today when I mow the rest of the grass. It's pretty much at its end right now. So the perennial ryegrass is looking really, really good here on the sideline, and it's growing nicely. And then if you look over here, this is all of the fescue that I planted for my neighbor. Now it's not ready to be mowed yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with some liquid fert as well. But the perennial is looking great. If you look at it from this angle, you can really see how nice it is. And you can kind of see the line of delineation of where the Bermuda is kind of starting to go dormant, and then where it's the project lawn is. And you can see that fescue is looking really, really good. So I'm not gonna mow that today at all, but I will probably mow the perennial. It's gonna be really interesting to mow this side of the lawn because it's gotta be at two different heights because two different grasses, but that's okay. And then the putting green with the perennial ryegrass is looking really good. It's competing right now with the Bermuda, so the perennial is looking healthy. I will say this, as I walk on this grass, man, it is just so nice. The ground is so much more smooth. It just feels really, really good. But you can see the perennial is looking good, but it's still competing with the Bermuda that's going dormant. But I'll probably be mowing this later as well. So a couple of interesting things here is you can see that the Bermuda is going dormant, but you can also see that green line right there. That is from all the washout as we were growing the fescue, and it washed down into this little gully, and it's growing. I mean, it's not going to bother me because the Bermuda will kill it next year, but it's fine. But look at this fescue. I mean, it's like I planned it or something to have the wind blowing so you can see how beautiful that is. But even my neighbor's side is looking really, really good. And that line that you see right there, that is just from the gutter that I planted. But I mean, when you look at it from above, I mean, it's growing. So we're good to go. And then even where I thought we had some washout, like right in there, it's growing really nicely. Now, the only place that's a little bit disturbing is right here, but that's because the gutter washed out from the rain the other day. But even that's growing, and I've got some extra seed that I can put down to fix that. That's pretty much a little review of what the lawn looks like. So let's get some liquid fertilizer down, and we'll call it a day for this morning. All right, folks, that's all I've got for you this morning. Just want to give you a quick video as this plane flies through. Man, we are right in the path this morning of a bunch of different planes coming in, so forgive us for the noise, the nerve of Southwest. But anyway, that's all I've got for you. Just a quick video doing a quick fertilizer application. Like I said, I used the Simple Lawn Solutions 15015. Want to make sure I got some potassium in there for good root growth, and then I also wanted the nitrogen to give it some top growth as well. May do a video later on this afternoon with the first mow of the fescue, but for now I think I'm going to cut this video off. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or email me. I've got my email in the description. And for those of you that subscribe to my channel, I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please like it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd really appreciate a subscribe. Thanks for all the support. And if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell. And I guess we'll see you on the next one. Have a great week, everybody. Talk to y'all later. Bye.